Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this quick tip, I will show you how to turn on the camera timer on iOS 26 or later on your iPhone so you can take hands-free shots which are perfect for group photos, selfies or creative photography. iOS 26 features a redesigned camera app which has changed the location of many settings. In this guide, we will show you how to find and use the timer feature. First, open the camera app on your iPhone. Tap on the menu button from the top right corner. The button is made up of 6 dots. This menu will give you access to the camera app's extensive menu. Here, tap on the timer option. A timer selection interface will appear at the bottom of the screen. Now you have the option to select 3 seconds, 5 seconds and 10 seconds options. Select your desired option and hit the shutter button to take the photo. iPhone will now run the timer you just selected with the countdown appearing on the screen. During this time, the camera flash will also blink, letting you and your friends know when the picture will be taken. After you're done taking photos with the timer, you can easily turn it off by following the same steps. Tap on the menu button once again and then tap on the timer option. Finally, select the off option to disable the timer functionality. And that's how easy it is to set the camera timer on your iPhone. No more rushing into the frame or awkward arm stretches. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.